Hi, I'm Doug from Luxury Bath NJPA, and here are the 5 things that separate us from all of our competitors.
A lot of our competitors claim their materials are mold resistant. But the truth is, mold can grow on any untreated surface and bacteria can double in as little as 20 minutes. Every morning, items such as dead skin cells become food for dangerous bacteria.
And how do you get rid of that mold and mildew? You can try harsh chemicals that claim to kill 99% of bacteria. But according to a study in the Wall Street Journal, even those only kill between 46 and 60% of microbes in real-world applications.
Microban antimicrobial protection built right into our tubs, showers, and walls. Microban is considered the only true defense against bacteria and mold growth. We infuse Microban into all of our Luxe materials during the manufacturing process. Microban helps prevent the growth of mold and mildew. Microban is used in over 750 products and companies around the world. Companies ranging from Sherwin-Williams, Rubbermaid, Under Armour, and Johnson & Johnson. Obviously, all these companies cannot be wrong. To show how effective Microban is, we threw a popsicle coated in Microban into this petri dish filled with bathroom bacteria. You can see the Microban start to work instantly. By disrupting the key cell functions that allow bacteria to reproduce, the Microban in effect eliminates the bacteria. You can see the difference. In 24 hours, almost all the bacteria is gone.
Our second exclusive is our Luxe walls and bases. Luxe is a high-tech polymer that's up to 300% thicker than a typical liner product.
It is extremely durable, with high impact resistance to prevent cracking and chipping. And since it is a non-porous surface and infused with Microban, it is a breeze to clean.
Our third exclusive is our sealant system.
Where do you find the most problems in baths and showers? Almost always on the grout or on the sealants.
That's why Luxury Bath only uses our exclusive finishing sealant. It's infused with Microban to prevent any mold or mildew.
It is also color matched to all our wall colors and bases. Typical caulk is made with rubber and solvents. As the solvents age and dissolve, the caulk can shrink by as much as 65%, leaving you with gaps and cracks. Using elastomers for expansion and contraction, our finishing sealant is guaranteed to remain flexible for the life of the sealant and will not harden, crack, yellow, or peel.
If you read a lot of reviews about the one-day bath remodeling business, you'll see the #1 complaint that comes up time and time again. It's that somebody puts a wall up and it tends to come down over time. We wanted to make sure that would never happen to any of our customers.
That's because many of our competitors rely on a two-sided black rubber tape to hold up their wall systems, and the humidity eventually causes failures. To prevent this problem, Luxury Bath started using Tack in 2003. This is the same powerful adhesive used to anchor all the windows in the Willis Tower, the tallest building in Chicago. This amazing high-density adhesive is nearly 6 times denser than a traditional adhesive and has resulted in 0 failures for Luxury Bath since 2003.
Our fifth exclusive is our Impressions groutless tile line. Do you want the look and feel of tile without the hassle of all the maintenance? Our Impressions line is perfect for you. It features laser-etched grout lines, complete with Microban protection against mold and mildew.
These laser-etched lines look and feel just like a traditional tile wall. You are the only one who will know it isn't tile. Microban prevents the lines from developing mold and mildew, helping keep them bright white and clean-looking.
Best of all, our Impressions walls require little to no maintenance, and they can never leak since they're one solid sheet from floor to ceiling. I'm Doug from Luxury Bath NJPA, and thank you for watching.
To learn more, go to luxurybathnjpa.com or call 1-800-351-4520 today.